Take it to the
Paper?
Yeah.
Put shoes on.
Put shoes on.
Yeah.
Why is this one? Mother. Oh my God.
Where do I put it?
If I don't get this off, you're gonna put it in the trash.
No. Where do I put this?
Need some help?
I don't know.
It keeps clicking back into place.
Dad, remember the black came off?
What's wrong?
That's a cool thing.
Yeah. That's okay. She'll love it. Spoiled rotten.
I didn't paint it here. On here, when you get that wrapper liner, when you get that wrapper liner,
Oh, okay. Pretty cool. I can't wait to see it in the sun.
paint that black, that inside the little black, all the way black.
Cool.
Down here we can make like special license plates.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
We could have taken license plate and really made it.
You wanted white. It's for a kid. Most kids don't even get something professionally painted like this. I know. She won't care. It looks good. Better than orange. It's so cool.
You wanted a pink Jeep, right?
Yeah.
You ready? There it is. It's pink and it's pink in here. So is it what you wanted? Don't touch it. The black's still wet. What does it smell like in your paint? It's a paint booth. I love it.
She's inspecting it before she's impressed.
She just touched it, right?
She did. There's nothing on her.
So is that what you wanted?
You excited to cruise it? She really is inspecting it. She is your child.
Yeah.
Jingle Bell. Is that what we're going to call it?
Is it glittering enough?
The Jeep's name is Jingle Bells.
See if you can get up the glitter.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
I don't think so. Maybe in the video later. But it's super sparkly. Just for our little girl. Sailor will be cruising with you two in no time. Until then, Mommy gets a spot, or Daddy.
Yeah, 'cause we fit.
Yeah, because we fit in it. Cool, right?
We fit on it.
See the grill?
Yeah, but I should have known better. Moisture got to it. See how I got that haze? Moisture was at 82%. I was like, oh, it's fine. It wasn't fine. That's water. I had to sit outside spraying.
So you'll redo it?
Yeah, I'll redo it. I actually might cut these out where it's like you go through there. Sorry, let's see. But I already do it. It's fine for now. I should have just lined it because I had a freaking half a container left.
I thought you were lining it.
I should have. I was like, no, I'll paint it.
Looks awesome.
Yeah.
Gonna be cool, kid. Maybe Dad will lift you up.
What do you want to do? Like it? That'd be good?
What are you doing?
Building the Jeep for the second time in my life.
Thought you didn't like
I
Jeeps.
hate Jeeps.
How's that feel? Which one? Which one do you want? Which one? Which one?
So that's one we're getting. Okay.
She was supposed to pick the cheaper one.
Okay, cheap.
No.
No, not cheap, cheap.
Supposed to pick the one you want. I'm just kidding. I mean, I'm a little bit. Only a little bit.
I'm like kind of kidding, but I'm kind of like serious.
Like, I really wish you would have liked the cheaper one better for your Jeep.
How does things look on me?
Looks wonderful. Did you think I wasn't going to bust you on your joyride?
I kind of really thought I was going to get away with it.
You were fine in the front.
Yeah, I came back here and it started spinning the tires, so I started doing donuts.
Oh, okay, yeah. I mean, that's what anyone would do.
I got to make sure it's okay for my kid.
Safety check.
Yes. It runs pretty good though.
Yes, it sounds good. Looks like it runs pretty
It's
good.
really sparkly out here.
Yeah, snorted.
That's a kill switch. Son of a, it's like an emergency kill.
Okay, okay. Okay, we get it.
It's got a horn. I need to get one of these for myself. We could start a mini Jeep club.
Yes!
And crawl.
That is such a good idea.
Because watch, watch. I'm going to show you, it crawls the ditch pretty good. Yeah, throw her in low though, you know?
Oh, wow! That's pretty good.
That ain't bad.
Yeah.
That's good. I just need to bolt all the plastic down and...
Make the brackets for the new seats.
Yeah.
Well, I do believe your daughter will approve.
Yeah. She's not allowed to drive through the water and mud like I do.
Mm-hmm.
She didn't pay for it.
She didn't pay for it.
And it's still leaking, yeah.
Where's your hood? And your grill.
Here, I'm standing in my hood.
Mm-hmm.
You see that flake, baby? Shit, doggy. Look at that flake. Woo-hoo.
Y'all jeeping it?
Yeah, you run over that tree?
Yeah. It's a junk tree. We don't need it. Well, at least hopefully the people that, you know.
Wait until we run Texas Tea Party through that field.
Yeah. You already telling people about Texas Tea Party?
No, surprise.
So they're just not going to know what you're talking about?
Yep.
Surprise, guys. New project coming soon.